Hey everybody, this video we're going to talk about some Brinks, what I think they're model number 172-44831. I think they're 44 millimeter hardened steel shrouded padlocks. These were a fire trap of a rental property, padlocking some broker bars shut on some bedroom windows. And I was able to actually rake them open in the field. It took me a little bit of work, but I managed to get them. I didn't want to cut them because they were in kids' rooms with beds and stuff, and I didn't want to make a mess in there, trying to cut them with an angle grinder or something. So anyway, thought I would try to pick one for a video, and so I did pick this one, and it took me like 8.5 minutes with multiple false sets, which no one wants to see, so I'll put a quick clip of the video here of just, I guess the very end of it. There it goes, number one, yeah. All right, so you see, I did pick it open, but like I said, a lot of effort, almost a 9-minute video, and so I wanted to see what was inside one of these. So I went ahead and looked down the shackle hole, and they're not guttable. So you have to actually drill a little pin out. So there's actually two pins. There's one that holds the cylinder in, and another one that controls how far it can rotate. So I went ahead and did that with this guy, hoping they'd be keyed the same. And made a key, and turned out they are keyed the same. So I have a key to this guy, and then this one I might try to repair just for my little collection. I think these are cool locks. I kind of always wanted one and just never bought one on Amazon. So got one now with a key, and the bidding on the key ended up being like 23143, but the 4 is like a 4.5, and the pins aren't quite right. So did manage to get the key working though. And then here's what we had for pins. I'll show you the cylinder too. I kind of mangled it drilling it out, but there's a little pin that goes in the through here into the cylinder, which controls how far it can rotate, and then another pin that goes through the body into here to keep the cylinder in. So that's what's left of these here. I think that was the one that actually controls the rotation on it, and that's the one that retains it. So I got some music wire and a brass rod. I'm going to try to repair it just for the hell of it. But anyway, here's what was actually inside this guy. And why I was getting so many false sets and everything is we have a lot of short pins. And there's actually 4 spools and 1 standard pin, and then the key pins are on the shorter side. So that's what's actually in it though, which is why it was difficult to pick. I'm actually kind of surprised that I raked them open in the field. Like I said, it wasn't super easy. I tried probably 3 different rakes before they popped open, but anyway, I just want to kind of show that that's what's actually inside one of these guys. And kind of a fun pick if you ever see one of these for sale for cheap. Definitely was a cool lock here. And then like I said, I'm going to try to get this guy back together, and if I do, I'll show it in one of my other videos if I'm able to get it reassembled and working again. And that will I guess do it for this video then, guys, and we'll talk to everybody later.